The gay Igbo man who is juicy, sexy, glowy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered. I am on my way with my man. We are going out. I want to get some pictures as well. I did all denim today and added this vest / half blazer or something from Mango. I am loving it. And the weather is really good. It's giving summer already, but it is spring. It's such a wonderful weather today. Let's go and do what needs to be done. My man always says, what is this what needs to be done that I'm always saying? Anyway, come, let's go. Some people are so crazy. So I posted shots on my podcast YouTube channel, and this particular person left a comment. You know, some of these people who think that they know God, and this person said, I can love you and not love your sin. What sin are we talking about? Because I don't know what you are talking about, because homosexuality is not a sin.
A sin is harming other people. Harming you do by making them feel less than. So the sinner is not the gay person. The sinner is the one that tells him he's less than, because that is really causing harm. Because being gay doesn't do anything. It doesn't force you to be gay or anything. But no, you have to put them down. You have to make them feel small. You have to make them feel less than you, because that's the only way you can feel good about yourself, because you are the sinner.
Well said, because you that is talking is the one that is the sinner. You're causing the harm, not gay people. And I will always be juicy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered. So my camera refuses to record. I wanted to get some videos after taking pictures, and the camera is doing anyhow. I just don't have the energy to take forever to set this. I'm going to the camera store to see if they can help me. I just don't want to be there for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes going through this like I did the last time. Every other thing works. I've recorded with it before, but today I said, okay, let me just do some street video, and this thing refuses to record, and it's on the right mode, it's on movie mode. My goodness, it was the HDMI. That was the reason why I wasn't recording. It just arrived. Thank goodness I was able to sort these things out. I'm so tired and I'm hungry. Thank you so much for spending the day with this juicy, moisturized, hydrated, glowy, sexy, unbothered Igbo gay man. Thank you so much for joining the movement for visibility, truth, and representation. Make sure to listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered podcast. Follow me on all my social channels. Subscribe to African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time.